Have you noticed that people comfortable in social settings build bridges to personal and professional success easily? Meanwhile, you might be struggling with social discomfort, and as a result, you've been missing out on the countless opportunities that come from forging meaningful connections. In How to Talk to Anyone, Leil Lowndes shares easy techniques to help you overcome social discomfort and feel more confident in social situations. We will be breaking down this book in this video as we seek to master the art of conversing with anyone. Our summary will contain 3 parts. Part 1. Mastering first impressions with nonverbal signals. Part 2. Elevating conversations with verbal signals. Part 3. Building trust and meaningful connections through verbal signals. Before we dive into today's content, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, Shortform. Now, I've been using Shortform personally, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Shortform is not just your ordinary content platform. It's a treasure trove of knowledge, covering everything from motivation and self-improvement to productivity. It's my go-to for quick, insightful reads that pack a punch. Speaking of genres, Shortform caters to your intellectual cravings in areas like motivation, self-improvement, and productivity. Whatever you're into, they've got it covered. Recently, I delved into the Shortform Guide for Mastery by Robert Greene. The key lessons I took away were mind-blowing, and it's incredible how Shortform breaks down complex ideas into bite-sized, actionable insights. The best part? Shortform drops new book guides and articles every week. And here's the kicker: subscribers like you get to vote on what books they cover next. Your voice matters in shaping the content. And let me tell you about Shortform's commitment to staying ahead. They're constantly adding new features to cover every idea across every medium out there. Their browser extension, Shortform AI, summarizes everything from articles to YouTube videos with just a click of a button. Now, here's the deal for you, our awesome viewers. By joining Shortform through my link, you'll receive a free trial of unlimited access. And if you decide to stick around, you'll get an additional 20% off on your annual subscription. That's a sweet deal for unlocking a world of knowledge. So don't miss out. Click the link in the description at shortform.com/keynote-knowledge and sign up for Shortform. Thanks again to Shortform for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the good stuff. So, we start with Part 1. Mastering first impressions with nonverbal signals. To master the art of connecting with anyone, being mindful of your body language and the signals it sends is key, according to Leil Lowndes. She asserts that these nonverbal cues shape over 80% of initial impressions, influencing subsequent interactions. While some debate the precise percentage, arguing a lack of scientific support, the consensus remains that nonverbal communication significantly impacts first impressions. Lowndes contends that individuals instinctively form impressions mainly based on body language within seconds of encountering someone. Before exchanging words, assumptions about personality, confidence, and social standing are already made, influencing whether further interaction is desired. Scientific research supports this, indicating that initial impressions align with later, more comprehensive assessments. Crucial components of body language, including posture, facial expressions, and eye contact, play pivotal roles in conveying one's feelings. Lowndes suggests that aligning these signals with positive intent fosters approachability, particularly in Western societies. But note that cultural nuances should be acknowledged, as nonverbal cues vary globally. She suggests the following nonverbal techniques for creating a positive first impression on anyone. Technique 1. Stand tall. The impact of posture on first impressions cannot be overstated. Maintaining an upright and confident stance not only makes you appear more self-assured but also has a reciprocal effect, instilling confidence within yourself. This nonverbal signal communicates approachability and sets a positive tone for interactions. Technique 2. Relax and remove physical barriers. Fidgeting or adopting guarded movements can undermine sincerity. Lowndes advises against such behaviors, instead advocating for a relaxed and open stance. This communicates honesty and approachability, fostering an environment conducive to genuine conversation. Technique 3. Delay your smiles and maintain eye contact. The timing of a smile can significantly impact the perception of warmth and authenticity. Lowndes recommends pausing before smiling, coupled with maintaining eye contact. This deliberate approach enhances the personal connection, signaling sincerity and a genuine interest in the other person. Technique 4. Pretend you're already close friends. Imagining a pre-existing friendship with the person you're approaching serves a dual purpose. It helps alleviate discomfort and simultaneously projects positive signals to the other party. This mental exercise contributes to a more comfortable and authentic interaction. Technique 5. Hold their gaze to encourage attraction. Maintaining eye contact is a powerful tool for conveying genuine interest. However, Lowndes advises a nuanced approach, cautioning against excessive intensity. Striking the right balance ensures that your gaze fosters attraction rather than discomfort, creating a positive and receptive atmosphere. Up next is Part 2, Elevating Conversations with Verbal Signals. Having established the importance of nonverbal cues, Leil Lowndes delves into verbal signals, emphasizing how the right words can elevate your interactions and foster immediate rapport. Here are 4 techniques to infuse your conversations with vibrancy and connection. Technique 1. Use and take notice of visual gimmicks. Lowndes introduces a captivating approach to initiating conversations, utilizing visual cues. You provide an easy conversation starter by adorning yourself with unique items or accessories. Additionally, extending compliments based on what others are wearing or carrying not only sparks engagement but also demonstrates genuine interest. However, steer clear of accessories or clothing solely aimed at seeking attention. Technique 2. Ask for introductions. Building on the concept of mutual connections, Lowndes recommends leveraging introductions facilitated by acquaintances. This technique adds a layer of familiarity by including details about the new person's hobbies or interests. When direct introductions are not feasible, gathering information from common contacts equips you with conversation starters, fostering a smoother initiation. Technique 3. Prepare stimulating responses to common questions. Lowndes challenges the conventional approach to common questions like, "Where are you from?" and "What do you do?" Instead of providing mundane answers, she advocates for responses infused with fascinating facts, humor, or observations. Tailoring your replies to the context and the individual ensures a more engaging conversation that goes beyond mere factual exchanges. Technique 4. Research interesting things to say in advance. Preparation becomes a key element in Lowndes' approach to verbal signals. Before an event, she advises gathering information about attendees and setting specific intentions for interactions. While staying informed about current affairs is encouraged, a cautious approach suggests limiting exposure to news to prevent undue stress. Engaging in diverse activities, expanding your vocabulary, and significantly, embracing your authentic self are highlighted as strategies to enrich your conversational repertoire. Finally, we have Part 3, Building Trust and Meaningful Connections Through Verbal Signals. To enhance your ability to engage in more profound conversations, Leil Lowndes proposes establishing an emotional connection with your conversation partner. Moving beyond superficial discussions requires building trust to encourage individuals to reveal more about themselves and express genuine feelings. An emotional connection, as Lowndes defines it, signifies a level of trust that fosters openness in sharing personal thoughts and emotions, transforming conversations from superficial to meaningful. Lowndes offers 4 techniques to facilitate trust building, enabling the development of an emotional connection in conversations. Technique 1. Make your interest in them clear. The foundation of meaningful dialogue rests on genuine interest. Lowndes advocates expressing curiosity by actively asking about the interests and experiences of others. The art of remembering and referencing details from prior conversations becomes a powerful tool, signaling your attentiveness and investment in the relationship. Technique 2. Present a positive image of yourself. Navigating the delicate balance of self-presentation, Lowndes urges mindfulness in revealing personal flaws, particularly considering the context of your status relative to the other person. Crafting a positive image involves thoughtful impression management and recognizing its impact on how others perceive you. This technique highlights the importance of strategic self-disclosure. Technique 3. Maintain a positive image of them. Shifting the focus outward, this technique encourages a deliberate emphasis on the positive attributes of the other person. Discouraging criticism or humor at their expense, Lowndes advises the art of genuine compliments grounded in a deep understanding of the individual. This not only uplifts them, but also paves the way for a more constructive and enriching conversation. Technique 4. Foster empathy through mirroring techniques. Mirroring becomes the cornerstone for building empathy and a sense of connection. Lowndes introduces a set of tactics. Match their mood. Align your tone and pace with their emotions, creating a harmonious resonance. Repeat their words. Back to them. Utilize their vocabulary, establishing common ground and shared values. Make supportive statements. Acknowledge their feelings through empathetic statements, reinforcing a sense of understanding. Use we, us, and our. Introduce language implying an existing friendship, seamlessly integrating them into a shared narrative. Are you ready to apply these powerful techniques and transform your social interactions for greater success and fulfillment? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and watch our other insightful summaries of your favorite books. Thanks for watching.